Why do tiny rituals work so well? Because our brains don't like friction. The more effort it takes just to get started, the more likely we are to put it off until tomorrow. That's why habits that seem almost too small to matter often become the ones that actually last. They don't rely on motivation, and they fit naturally into everyday life. Because you don't have to wait for a free afternoon, and you don't need the perfect mindset. You simply begin. That's one of my favorite ways to practice neurographics. Instead of thinking, I'll do a long drawing this weekend, try making it part of an ordinary day. Try switching from letter-size paper to half-letter. It's half the size, so the blank page doesn't feel nearly as overwhelming, and a drawing comes together much faster. You can also keep a small pad next to your computer, on the kitchen table, or wherever you naturally spend time. That may sound like a small change, but it removes one more reason to put drawing off. Over time, your brain starts recognizing the routine. You sit down, pick up the marker, and you begin drawing. The whole sequence becomes familiar, and familiar actions require less mental effort than new ones. That's how many lasting habits are built, by making them easy to repeat. In neurographics, you're working with one topic at a time. Sure, sometimes a single drawing is enough to help you see things differently, but deeper patterns take longer to change, and that's perfectly normal. The important thing is having a practice that's easy to come back to. You'll find two helpful links in the description below. One to learn more about neurographics, and one to our neurographics workshop, where you'll be introduced to the method through two comprehensive masterclasses that you can return to again and again with different topics.